Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Render. As in my earlier video of Render, I was showing you that it is about to break another very big rising wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart. You can see this was my last video. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after a very powerful rally of more than 2300% now recently, it is breaking out another rising wedge pattern. Now if I place this measurement tool from this low to the current high, then you can see that so far it has rallied more than 2,991%, almost 3,000%. And after this breakout from this big rising wedge pattern and breaking out this resistance, right now you can see it is also breaking out this quite long-term resistance of $6.50 as well. That was previously working as a resistance here, and now it is breaking it down. We can expect a very massive rally, and in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for render that has produced a quite powerful pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for render that I shared a few days ago on 15th of Feb 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that render formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And so far, it has rallied more than 65%. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that render was completing on a daily time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And this was, you can see the final leg that which it was completing on this daily time frame chart. And this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped down, completed the leg, and after entering the buying zone, we had a very massive rally, and it rallied more than 120%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of render, and this is a weekly time frame chart, and you can see that previously, since after the month of November 2021, it has been moving inside this channel, and even in those days, back in 2022, I have been telling you that once render will be able to break out this long-term down trendline resistance of the channel, then we can expect a very massive rally. And the target for this breakout can be here at the top of the channel between $8 to $10. And you can see that so far, the price line has rallied up to $8.13. And right now it is breaking out this quite long-term resistance of the rising wedge pattern and also this resistance of $6.50 as well. There is another quite long-term resistance that is coming from here, by the way. You can see we got stabilizations here and here and here and here. That can be another resistance somewhere here, approximately at $9.50 to $10. However, now if we take a look at the final target for this breakout from this big rising wedge pattern, that is here. That can be between somewhere $20 to $21. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.